Creating presentation on Tome.ai is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and then search here for Future Tools, because we don't access Tome.ai directly. So now you can see that the searching is done. Now you have to click on first link that show you Future Tools. When you click on this, the website will look like this. Now you can see that Future Tools collects and organizes all the best AI tools, so you can become Superman. Next, you can see that there are many facilities that Future Tools give. These tools are eye detection, for fun, image scanning. This is for you if you want to scan any image. Then you can access and you can use this feature from here. Next one is the text-to-speech button. It's mean if you have written test, you can create speech from this option. And in the second line, you can see at the end text-to-video option. In this option, you can create a video just to enter your text. But one more thing in this section is if you don't have any script, then you can create script using ChatGPT and other features that help you to create text. Then you can simply enter the text in the dashboard and video will be generated automatically. And you can see that there are many options that AI provide you to use for free. And you can access this for totally free. And in the end line, if you see here, you have some filters to search the tools. So this one is free. So if you want to search free tools, then you can click on free and you will see the all free tools that I provide you. And if you want paid, then you can click on this and you will receive all the tools that have paid plans. Now you can scroll down and see here there are many tools that you can access totally for free. So if you want to use any one of this, you just have to click on one of them and you can use it easily. And next you have to scroll up. And here you can see on the header of the screen, we have some options. These options are Home, iNews, Learn, Glossary, and Submit. If you click Home button, you will redirect to the same page. And if you click on the next button, which is iNews, now you have to open it in the new tab. So next tab will be open and you can see here these are all the news about how AI is working and which they have updates in AI field. You can see that in August 22nd, 2023 they have updates on ChatGPT T3.5 Turbo fine-tuning. And the next one update is the news of New York Times crawler. So now you can see and read all the details about a news. And if you want to learn about how you can use these AI tools, so you have to click on Learn button, which is on the front side of iNews. So I have opened this on the new tab. And here you can see that there are the option of Learn. There you can see that many tools. First one is Mid-Journey and the second one AI News Update. If you want to learn anyone about this, you can click on it and you learn about how they work and how you can use them. Here you can see that about the glossary of terms and police. You can read all of these carefully if you want to learn about that. So to access the Tome.ai, you have to search here Tome.ai. After some time, you have to scroll down and you can see here the Tome.ai software. So sometime it may take time to search, so make sure you have good internet connection. I have scrolled down to find Tome, and you maybe have to scroll down and you would find it on the last. Here you can see that I found that software. And in the downside, you can also see that ChatGPT is also available in this section. And then click on this software. After some time, the software will open. And here you can see that there are 661 upvotes for this software. And you can also read description that is Tome is a collaborative AI partner that help you to create compiling stories with any type of content. And here you can see that it is totally free. And you can see that there is a blue color button, which show you to visit. You have to click on this button to use this. So the new window will look like this. Here you can see that you have to sign up for Tome.ai. So now you have to click on this button. When you click on this button here, you can see that you have two options. First one is to continue with Google account. And the second one is you have to create your account by manually putting your email and password. But I don't want to go with this procedure. I want to sign up my account on this website through my Google account. So to do that, click on this button. And after creating your account, you have to set up your profile. So now you have to set up your profile by entering your name. You can also type here anything, but I would suggest you to enter your name so that other people will invite you on their platform or own your account. After creating your name, you have to enter the role of your. You can click on drop-down menu. You will see here many options like educator, engineering, founder, CEO, operations, personal, product design. So you have to click one of them. And after this, you have to click on creating profile button. So now I have to enter here name of workspace. So I enter college presentation. And now in the next window, you can see that you have the two plans of Thai software. So now you can see that there are two plans. First one is basic and the second one is pro plan. The basic plan will provide you a great way to capture and share your ideas. It includes responsive layouts, interactive content, smart themes, video narration, and 500 AI credits. And it is totally free. But the Pro plan, which charge $8 per month, have unlimited access to AI at your fingerprints. It includes AI presentations, AI text edits, AI image generation, early access to AI features, export to PDF. So these all are about plans of the software. You can choose one of them, which you want to use, and then after selecting your plan, you have to click on Continue button. Now you can see that the final dashboard of the software is open. On the left side of the screen you can see some options. That is notification, where you can see all of the notification which you receive on your account. And then next option is recent, where you can see your recent project that you have done. And you can click on the next button. If you want to change the account setting, you can change your settings from here. And the next one is shared with me. So you can access all these files or projects which anyone share with you. You can access from this option. And the next one option is very important, that is templates button. When you click on it, you can see here there are many templates that you can use while creating your presentation. You can see that the first one is fundraising pitch, then sales speech, resume. So if you want to create your resume for your job, you can select this template and you can edit it your details according to yours. And you can see that there is also template of work portfolio, and then here for lectures and for job interviews also. So now we will start creating our first presentation. So now you have to click on create option, which is on the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on it, you can see there are some options which you can use while creating your presentation. But now look at the right side of the screen, you have plus icon. When you click on this plus button, you can see here you can add your text, image, video, graphics, and table, and you can use this option when you want to use and want to add all these things in your presentation. And the next one option is record button. When you click on it, you may be asked to allow you to record your camera and microphone. And if you don't want to record, then you can block this option. And next you have theme button. And here you can see that the new pop-up will appear on the right side of the screen. And now you can see that we have black theme on the screen. And now if you want to change the theme of the screen, then you can do on this option. And you can select one of the theme. So you can see here I have selected this theme because I want to use this in a presentation, and this is my favorite color that I use. Now you have to click on the left side of the screen. There is a button of add page. You have to find the preset with which you want to create your presentation. So now you can see that there are different, but I select this one because I want to create my presentation look like this. Now first you have to enter the title of your assignment. So I type this one, and scroll down you have to enter your pictures. So now click one of them where you want to enter picture. So when you click on the image option, then new pop-up will appear here. You can see that there are three options. First one is create, then upload, and search. And if you want to upload picture from your computer, then you click on upload button. And then select the image which you want to use on image section, and then automatically image will add it in your image section. And if you want to add more pages in the presentation, and then just click on the add pages button, which is on the left side of the screen at the bottom. And now I have selected this page to make my presentation. And you can also customize this according to your needs. So if you want to create your presentation through AI, then you have to click on this drop-down menu. You can also say that this button. So when you click on this button, new pop-up will appear here. And here you see a message that is what would you like to do. So you just have to enter the topic here. So I enter the topic as make presentation on Pakistan economy. So after some time and after some search, you can see presentation is created. You can also customize this, and if you want to change the presentation text, you can also change it. So in this way you can make presentation on Tome.ai.